Hello and welcome back to the Oven Cook. What I'm going to do today is pork Mechado, and what we've got is obviously pork, which I'm going to put some soy sauce and a squirt of lime and let that marinate for a little bit. Got potatoes, onions, garlic. We don't like sweet peas, so I've got some snap peas, or they're called Mechado. We've got peppers, we've got green ones, yellow, and some nice little red bell peppers, I think they are. We've got some olive oil, some chopped tomatoes, soy sauce, some bay leaves, salt and pepper, and I've got a stock cube. And I forgot something again. Tomato ketchup. This is to go with the chopped tomatoes for our tomato sauce. And so what we're going to do, we're going to get started. What I'm going to do first of all, while you're here, get our pork, get our soy sauce, get our lime, get a lid, put it back on, and we'll let that sit for about 15 minutes, 20 minutes. I might leave it even longer, so we'll see you soon. So welcome back. So what I'm going to do first of all, a little bit of olive oil. We're going to get our onions, garlic, get our marinated pork that's had soy sauce and lime. And we'll come back in a minute and we'll just cook that up a little bit. Then I'm going to add the tomato, the chopped tomatoes and the tomato ketchup and a little bit of water. So we'll see you in a minute. Okay, so we're back, and what I'm going to do, this is chopped tomatoes with some tomato ketchup to balance the two, the acidity and a little bit of sweetness in with it. These are going in. A little bit of water. Gonna crumble in a stock cube. A couple of bay leaves. Smells lovely already. And we're going to pour in the rest of our marinade, which is the soy sauce and the lime. And we'll come back to that when we'll let it simmer away for about 15 minutes, and we'll come back and have a look and see what's going on. So we'll see you then. Okay, so let's have a look at this. Been simmering away for, I don't know, about 25-30 minutes. Let's have a look at these bits of pork. Oh, that's better. There, you can push the old spatula through. So I'm going to do, add the potatoes. Add our chopped peppers. We've got nice yellow ones, green ones, and some little red peppers. I don't know what they're called, but they're going in. Just going to let them sit on top. And we've got our snap peas, Mechado. I call them snap peas anyway. So they're going in now because we don't like peas. So, but I like these. They're going in. Superb. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let that simmer away, so obviously the potatoes cook and these peppers soften down enough but still have a little bit of crunch in them, and we'll be back with that in a minute. Okay, so we're back. As you can see, this is reduced down lovely. Got a nice rich sauce on here. Oh, there you are. No, you're not. So I was looking for the old bay leaves. Oh, there it is. So this is done. We'll get it all. Get a plate out. Plate it up. Bit of spring onions, and we'll see you in a minute. Okay, so we're back, and what we're going to do is obviously get some of this out. It's going to be all lovely. Looks pretty good. Just going to put some spring onions on because I like a bit of crunch. So there we have it, pork Mechado with pork seasoned in soy sauce and lime, which marinated for about 20 minutes. About half an hour it was marinated for. Then we've got potatoes, peppers, onions, garlic, and chopped tomatoes with a bit of tomato sauce to counteract the acidity of the tomatoes. So that's really tasty, and it smells absolutely gorgeous. So don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one and see what we come up with. See you later guys, and stay safe.